Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will see how to use OWS Translation Earbuds. So let's dive right in. These earbuds are designed to translate in real time, and getting started is super easy. First, make sure your earbuds are charged up. Then, download the companion app on your phone. That's where all the translations happen. Next, connect the earbuds to the app using Bluetooth. Once they're paired, you just pick the two languages you want. For example, you can set yours to English and your friends to Spanish. Now, you wear one earbud, and your conversation partner wears the other. When you speak, your words are translated and played directly in their ear. And the same happens when they talk back to you. It's like having a personal interpreter on the go. So that's all it takes. Charge, connect, choose your languages, and start talking. Super simple, super powerful. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.